Hello everyone, this is Barista Life 101, and today's tutorial is all about f70 dripper. These are the tools that you needed. First, the beans, the kettle, the f70 dripper, the server, the weighing scale, and the filter. Put the filter and wet the filter with hot water, and to preheat also the tools we're gonna use. Throw the water and prepare your medium ground coffee. So I will put 22 grams of coffee with a ratio of 1 to 15. Blooming is a quick bubbling up of carbon dioxide and coffee ground that occurs when freshly roasted coffee is brewed. Giving your coffee a half minute to bloom, depending on how recently it was roasted, and will enhance its flavor, and we call it also degassing. Wait up until 30 seconds. My second pouring will start in the middle with a circular motion. And going back to the middle and rest. And start again. The same procedure. Start at the middle with a circular motion. And going back to the middle and rest. Repeat the procedure. Start in the middle, the circular motion. And going back to middle and rest. Repeat the procedure until you reach the total volume of water, approximately 129 to 131 milliliters of water. Please share, like, follow my Facebook page, and subscribe and my YouTube channel for more tutorials. I hope you enjoy, guys, and my tutorial. Don't totally drain the water to avoid bitterness in your coffee. So that's it. Throw the filter and enjoy. This is your brewed coffee or pour over filtered coffee. Thank you and God bless. Enjoy.